previous class we have studied Euclid's division lemma. So what was Euclid's division lemma? Given two positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So that already we have studied, and we have also studied the application, one of the application of Euclid's division lemma, that is to find the HCF. Now we can do some questions based on Euclid's division lemma. The question is, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 for some integer q. So we are going to show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 for some integer q. For that we can apply Euclid's division lemma. So what is Euclid's division lemma? We are having two integers a and b such that a is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Now in our question we want to show that this is of the form 4q plus 1, 4q plus 3. So instead of b we are taking 4. So let b is equal to 4. So our a becomes 4q plus r. Now what will be r? R can have values 0, 1, 2 and 3. R can have values 0, 1, 2, 3 because R should be in between 0 and B, and B is 4 here. Can also be equal to 0. So from 0 onwards we can start. Now we are going to give each value of R in A and find what we are getting. So when R is equal to 0, what is A? A is equal to 4q plus 0. What is 4q plus 0? It is 4q. And what can you say about 4q? 4 is an even integer. So 4q will always be even. Now when r is equal to 1, what is A? A is equal to 4q plus 1. 4q was even. So what will be 4q plus 1? 4q plus 1, definitely it will be odd. Now again, when r is equal to 2, a is equal to 4q plus 2. So it will be even because odd plus 1 will give even. When r is equal to 3, a is equal to 4q plus 3, it is odd. Now we can collect all the odd terms here. Which all we get as odd? This one and this one. That is 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3 are odd, and that is what we are asked to show. Show that any positive integer is of the form, positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, and we got it as 4q plus 1 as odd and 4q plus 3 as also odd. The next question is, show that square of any positive integer is either of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. So here this also we are going to use Euclid's division lemma. So according to Euclid's division lemma, what do we have? A is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Now here it is 3m or 3m plus 1, so we can take b as 3. If you are taking b as 3, what will be r? R will be 0, 1, 2. And our a will be 3q plus r. Now like the previous question, we can give the values of r one by one. So first, when r is equal to 0, what is a? A is 3q plus 0, that is 3q itself. So what is a square? A square is 3q square, that is 9q square. But we don't want 9q square, we want only 3m or 3m plus 1. For that we can change this 9m as 3 into 3q square. Now q is an integer, q square is also an integer. So 3q square is also an integer. So together this 3q square we can write as m. For some integer m. So we got when r is equal to 0, a square equal to 3m for some integer m. So next we are going to put r is equal to 1. When r is equal to 1, a is equal to 3q plus 1, a square equal to 3q plus 1 the whole square. This is of the form a plus b the whole square. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now from this you can see that it's not of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So we can take, for making like that, we can take 3 common from the first 2. So 3 into here 3q square plus 2q close the bracket 1. This 3m plus 1. So in the first case we got 3m. In the second case we got 3m plus 1. Now the third case is r is equal to 2. When r is equal to 2, a is equal to 3q plus 2. So what is a square? 3q plus 2 the whole square. That is 9q square plus 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. 12q plus 4. So from here, if you take like the previous step, if we take 3 common from here, we will get only as 3m plus 4. So we don't want 3m plus 4. For that, what will we do? Or what can we do? We can split this 4. We can split the 4 as 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And from the first 3 we can take 3 common. So 3q square plus 4q plus 1 close the bracket plus 1, and that is equal to 3m plus 1. In the third case also we got it as 3m plus 1. So if we take any positive integer and square it, we will either be getting in the form 3m or in the form 3m plus 1. So this type of questions are asked as 3-mark questions and sometimes 4-mark questions for the board exam. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.